If the ultra-wide camera option is missing on your Snapchat and you don't have access to this feature, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix the problem. First, open the App Store or Play Store and make sure Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Many times, this feature doesn't appear if the app is outdated. If updating doesn't fix it, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then, tap Settings in the top right corner. Scroll down to Support and Feedback, tap Bugs and Suggestions, and then select Report a Bug. Now tap Camera, choose Camera Features, and type this message. My account doesn't have access to the ultra-wide camera feature. Please fix this issue. After that, tap Submit. Snapchat usually fixes this issue after reviewing your report. As a temporary option, go back to the Snapchat camera screen. Tap Explore at the bottom, then search for ultra-wide lens. Select any lens from the results. This doesn't give true ultra-wide quality, but it creates a similar wide-angle effect. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix the Snapchat ultra-wide camera option not showing. If this video helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Snapchat tips and fixes.